look at the fog. I'm heading up to about 1,000 feet elevation here in Oregon, and the fog is super intense on this Thanksgiving Day. Oh yeah. Boy, it's crazy how foggy it is. All the way to the top, ladies and gentlemen, and it just gets worse. Oh, we've got a glimpse of the sun there. Wow. A couple days ago I did a review on the Purple Panda microphone for the GoPro and versus the Audio Technica. Just wanted to give you all a real world sound. It's 41 degrees here Thanksgiving evening. I'm knocking out quite a bit of vlogging, to be honest with you, tonight as I'm heading back home from Turkey Day. And just wanted to give you a glimpse of what this actually sounds like. I'm going 62 miles an hour on a 2-lane road. It's extremely foggy outside, so I apologize for the great sights and sounds that you're not seeing. But at the end of the day, this is what it sounds like at 62 miles an hour, 60-ish for the most part. I can get highway speeds, but we don't do anything illegal. We all follow the speed limits as we're supposed to. We're not rule breakers whatsoever. So I'll do another review down the road if necessary, but I will say one thing: the quality of the Purple Panda mic is actually pretty fantastic. This is with my visor closed on a Schubert C4 modular helmet. Now I'm going to put my visor up because it's super hard to see here. I'm going 40 miles an hour with the visor up. I'm pretty sure you can probably hear a little bit of wind noise. I definitely know you can hear the motor, which is pretty cool, to be honest with you. The Audio Technica, I did have a failure with that specific mic, so I can't really test it at all. Uh-oh, got some lights going, I'm speeding. So, but this is with the visor open at in-town speeds, 36 miles an hour. So I would note also that I am on a 2021 Tiger 900 GT Pro, and it's stock exhaust, everything else, so everything is stock wise when it comes to mechanics. And 30 miles, I'm not going to be able to go any faster, guys, so I wish I kind of could at least speed it up a little bit. But at the end of the day here, this is the Purple Panda. It's attached to the wind lip decibel depressor on the Schubert, where the pin lock, the chin mount comes up, and everything else. The GoPro is actually attached to my Velomaki backpack, and they got a little spot on the right shoulder there, so the view could be better, but it works for the time being. So anyway, just wanted to give you a real quick sound clip of what I'm hearing. Hopefully you're hearing the same thing. And honestly, from my review earlier, I will say that the Purple Panda, in my opinion, even though I had a failure on the Audio Technica, it honestly is the better mic to go with. Now, one thing to note too is that I've got a pretty high-end helmet, so helmets I think are going to matter quite a bit. So keep that in mind, that you know, helmets are helmets. However, when you pay more, you get more features, things like that. With the Schubert, it's a really quiet helmet compared to most. So I'm thinking that's why you're probably not picking up a lot of wind noise whatsoever. So I am really happy with that, because I don't have to worry about the wind noise whatsoever. So let's see if we can get a little bit of speed going on. So that's just the easy first gear pull. So I think we got up to 45 miles an hour. So probably didn't hear anything but engine noise. But at the end of the day, guys, I want to thank you guys for tuning in, and hope you had a fantastic Thanksgiving. I think I've said that about 6 times already with my other videos going on, so enjoy it.